I just got my first subscriber on YouTube, and I want to help you do the same. I'm just an average guy. You might be asking yourself, why am I celebrating one subscriber? I mean, it's only one, right? But here's the thing. You got to start somewhere, and we all start at 0. So I'm celebrating one subscriber right now. Thank you so much for subscribing. And actually, as I was editing this video, I actually got another subscriber. So that's 2. So thank you as well. Now, this isn't my first YouTube channel. My other channel has over 3,000 subscribers right now, and it's monetized, it's making money, and I think that's what you want to if you're watching this video. I think we can get stressed out about that first subscriber because we all start at 0, right? So I'm gonna give you a few tips as to how you can get your first subscribers. The most important thing that you can do is make videos. That's it. Make videos. You can't possibly get subscribers unless you start making videos. And you want to make not just any videos, but good videos. That being said, don't let your idea of what a good video is keep you from just start publishing videos. We all start somewhere, and we all start with 0. Therefore, you simply want to start where you're at. Make the best video that you can possibly make right now and publish it. And do that every week. Do that a couple times a week. Now, for this channel, my goal is right now twice a month. I'm trying to commit to just doing 2 videos a month right now, making as good of a video I can for those twice a month videos. That's the first and most important thing, is to simply make videos. The second thing I would say is to get your name out there. Now, you do that in several ways. You do that by being an active part of communities, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's on YouTube itself. I recommend YouTube. But you be an active part of the community. You start commenting on channels. You comment on small channels, you comment on big channels, but in both of these things, you don't do it in a spammy way. And actually, the goal in doing that is to genuinely add to the conversation, genuinely thank people for their videos, tell them what you liked about their videos, tell them how you appreciated what they said in their videos. Don't simply say, hey, go check out my channel. That's not going to win you any subscribers. You want to add to the conversation. Show yourself in the conversation as being somebody who people want to subscribe to. Add to the conversation. That's actually how I got my first subscriber. I added to the conversation, and he saw my comment, and he came to my channel and said, hey, I'm glad to be your first subscriber. So thank you so much for being my first subscriber. When it comes to commenting on big channels, there's a strategy here. My strategy in commenting on larger channels is try to be the earliest comment. Obviously, watch the video first, watch it on double speed, and try to understand what the content of the video is, and then add something to the conversation. If you can be one of the earliest commenters on a large video, then lots of people are going to see your comment. As they're leaving comments, they're going to see your comment. And if your comment adds something valuable to the conversation, then you have a much better chance of them clicking on your channel and checking out your stuff as well. Once again, don't do it in a spammy way whatsoever. That's not going to help anything. But you simply want to add value to other people's videos and help them. Then their subscribers will see that you're adding something of value, and then maybe come to your channel as well. Once again, what we're doing is we're not trying to be spammy. We're not trying to simply get people's attention. We're genuinely adding to the conversation. Now, if you watch a video and you have nothing to add of value, then don't comment on that. It's just going to come across as spammy. You don't want to do that. That's actually detrimental to your channel. But that's my second tip. Add value to other people's comments. And then your name's going to get out there too. One more thing about all that. When you publish your first video, don't expect it to go viral. Don't expect you to get tons of subscribers from your very first video. That does happen once in a while. That is the extremely rare scenario. Your goal in publishing is to make small improvements, to be the tortoise. Slow and steady wins the race, right? So if you look at my first video, the lighting was horrible. I think the things that I've learned on YouTube are things that can be replicated, things that you can do too. I'm just an average guy, give me a break. But this time I upped my game just a little bit. I added a light over here and a light down here to give me some fill light. And the lighting, in my opinion, is 1 billion times better. The goal isn't to get a perfect video every time. The goal is to get better every time. And if you're doing that, if you're making better and better videos, then you'll start getting some subscribers. When I published my first video last week, for the first 12 hours, it got 0 views. 0 views. And I was crushed. But that day, I got 1 view. And then the next day, I got 2 or 3 more views. And now at the filming of this video right now, my first video has 5 views, but one of those views led to my first subscriber. That's a 20% subscription rate. I'm really stinking happy with that. Listen, I'm not a YouTube guru. I'm just an average guy, but I want to share with you how you can grow your YouTube channel, get it monetized, and make some money. And I hope you can come along with me as I do the same thing on this channel. We can do this together. And if I can do it, you can do it too.